Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you how I created my twisted paper cone tree. Here I have it displayed with two other trees that I recently made, and I can post the video links below in the description, as well as my tree farm. You're going to need a piece of the DollarTree poster board, a pencil, and a ruler, a roll of the brown craft wrapping paper used for shipping packages, one of the mini round bowls, some gold spray paint, berry garland, a ton of hot glue, and here's how you're going to begin. Place your ruler at the point corner of your poster board, and then starting at one end, start making dashes at the 9 3/4 inch mark. Just keep moving your ruler up until you reach the top, and then you'll have a quarter circle and just cut that out. Then you will train your poster board so that it will curl into each other. That will make it easier for taping. You'll grab some packing tape and just use that to seal off your tree. It doesn't need to look pretty because we're going to be covering that up with the paper twist. Then you're going to take another piece of poster board and you're going to draw a circle the same size as your cone. And then you're going to cut that circle out, not at the line, but at about a 1/2 inch out from the line. And that you're going to create a circle and then another smaller circle inside. Take your scissors and start cutting up to the line little pieces. Just keep cutting until you go all the way around and bend them up. Once they're all bent up, you're going to take hot glue and you're going to carefully glue those tabs onto your cone tree. Next, you're going to cut a strip of craft paper to about 5 inches. You're going to need a bunch. And here is my squish and twist paper technique. Just grab it, squish it, and twist it. And you're going to need many of the strips. But you can take a break in between until you figure out how many you need, because it is kind of hard on the hands. And then with hot glue, start at the base and just start putting some glue down and adding your paper twists. Just keep going, and you're going to be attaching because it's obviously not one long strip, but you won't be able to see it because it all looks like a twisted mess. When you get to the top, make your twists a little thinner because it's a small point. And this is what the bottom is going to look like so that it can just stand up. I spray painted my bowl gold, and then I hot glued my tree onto the bowl, and now that's the tree stand. And since it's just a paper tree, it's not very heavy. And here you can see how it looks like a nice tree stand. Then take your berry garland and just start wrapping it around. Because I did a gold tree stand, I used the gold berries. And I also got a gold star and added that to the top. And there you have it. That's my paper twisted tree. It's very easy to do. It's just like I said, hard on the hands. And here we have it in my little vignette. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, comment, and if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another DollarTree project. Take care.